open any browsers to type like that, and first URL type, you can see asus.com, just click on it. Then this is your laptop, just click on it. After that click on support, then click on driver, select OS, scroll down. This is first VLAN means Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the process. After it is completed, then it will open. Just click on it. After that click on yes for the administrator installations. Select language if you want to change, otherwise you just click to OK. Then next, I accept the agreement, then click to next, install, next, install. So it is completed. After that you can say restart. Yeah, after install any driver, restart is mandatory. Okay, just click to finish and then restart your system.